Welcome back to another one of my videos. This is Brittany, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get an extra makeup look, because a lot of people were asking me how I get my makeup to look like this, and this could be used for your birthday also, because I did something similar like this for my birthday. And yeah, you could use this for anything, like for a special event or anything. And yeah, you sold it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be using is concealer. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I have an eyebrow tutorial that I already did, so that's why I don't want to show you how to do my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna put a card up here, and then you'll see the how I do my eyebrows. It'll be here. I think it's here, not here. Well, actually, I'm gonna put on concealer. I just don't want to wear any foundation because, you know, I don't want to get a lot of pimples. My birthday already passed, so I'm going to use concealer. But if I were using foundation, I would... okay, I'm going to put everything I'm using down below. So if you guys want something, you can either see it down below, or you can put in the comments down below what was like the one item that you wanted, so I can just show you. Okay, so like for the first two clips, I'm going to have a voiceover because I haven't explained really why I haven't been on YouTube. So basically, first off, I don't have any ideas for YouTube. Like I don't know what to do. That's one reason why. And now that school like has started, it's been way harder to do, because that's why I like barely post. In the summer I tried posting a lot, but when I came into YouTube, I came in with the mindset that YouTube was gonna be so easy. YouTube like was just like, it wasn't gonna be hard at all. And sorry if you hear that, that's my dog playing with something. And I came in with the mindset that I was gonna do videos fast and they were gonna be so easy, and I just post them like every Friday. But now that I do YouTube, it's like a whole editing process, and all of that is a lot of work. And now that I'm doing YouTube, like that's opened my eyes more. And that's one reason why. And also the second reason why I haven't done YouTube in a while is because you see, like I said, I don't have ideas. You guys don't let me know in the comments down below. Give me some ideas, because sometimes I run out of ideas fast, and that is just like what do I do? And also, I had two videos. I had a birthday vlog I was gonna post because my birthday was October 30th, and the other video I had was this same video right here. And when I put it in my laptop, it got lost. It's a whole story, and I don't want to get to that story. Okay, that's my dog. Like when you hear like all that noise, he's like throwing something. Yeah, that's the tea. And my channel's not only like makeup and stuff like that. It's a variety of things. It's just not one thing. Like one day you'll see me doing a prank or challenge. The next day you'll see me do makeup. The next day you'll see me do get ready with me, blah blah blah. There's gonna be a lot of things in here, so just stay tuned for that, because I don't think you're ready for that. One thing is that some of them don't come out good, so I have to like redo it, like if it's a makeup thing or like a hairstyle, I don't know. And also, I don't post frequently because I rather have not a lot of videos than run out of ideas. I'm not a person that just like, okay, you see like vloggers, like I can't do a video like that's not a vlog every day, because if you're doing a video every day, you're gonna run out of ideas, and then you're gonna have no ideas, and then you're not gonna have anything to post. So that's why I take forever to post. I'd rather take forever than like just not have ideas, even though like I have ideas, but I don't know if they're good, like if you guys would watch them or not. So that, yeah, that's the tea. For some reason, like all the foundation parts, I'm doing like voiceovers, but I'm sorry if you could see like red glares in my face. The camera's like kind of weird. I don't know if you could see it, but in my laptop, like when I put my laptop down, you could see like red glares. So if you see that, I am very sorry, and I'm gonna make sure that does not happen in my next video, because that looks so weird. I feel like you cannot see my concealer at all like that. So I'm like very excited to get like a lot of pimples. Like I don't know, I'm just excited. So I bought this eyeshadow from Sephora. It's Sephora Pro. It's already dirty. I don't like that. This hurt my heart. It was $68, this eyeshadow palette. You see, the light was like this, and it was really cute. It was lighter, obviously. It was like summer the day. So these are the colors. So the colors I'm gonna be using are, it was like this light, but it was really pretty. I'm gonna be using bubblegum. What's the name of this one? Sunkissed, blonde, tie. You know what? I'll just do it as I do it. You know what I mean? I'll just do it as I go along. Okay. So first color, like I said, is bubblegum, which you guys already saw. So I'm gonna be putting it on the crease of my eyelid. I'm not sure if that's the name. The crease. So okay. This is a birthday look because my birthday just passed and everybody was asking me to do it because it was cute, and I was just like, that's actually a good idea. So thank you for whoever told me to do it, because I listen to your ideas. It's just that a lot of people don't really like inform me what to do or what not to do, and this eyeshadow palette is very pigmented, so that's what I like about it. I wish I knew how to put on fake eyelashes for this, but I don't. So that's why I'm not good at putting on fake lashes. All the time I do it, I look like a flamingo. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting all the products I use down below because it's just like that. And yeah, okay, my life is very eventful right now. Okay, for my birthday I got a lot of flowers. I got Takis and I got Hershey's, although I'm not gonna eat a lot of Takis because Takis are bad. Even though I love Takis, they're bad and I don't want to have any more in my life ever again, so I'm taking a big break from Takis. So if you watch this video and you're like, Britney, blah blah blah, and if you don't watch this video and I see you buying me Takis, I'm gonna be like, what happened to you, quote unquote, watching my video? Yeah, let's see. Okay, why am I so slow? I swear to God. I swear. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the color bubblegum. I'm just gonna add a little bit more because the other side is always pigmented than the other one, or maybe it's just on camera, I don't know. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So far it's weird, but it'll come along together. So this is the color I use, bubblegum. Now I'm gonna use the color blonde mixed with nylon. And if you're watching this, you're the real, like, if you watch all my videos, all I have to say is you're the real OG, because sometimes I feel like they're cringy, but it's just every YouTuber is like that. They think their videos are cringy because they're the ones who's making them, but then when it's somebody else, it's not cringy for them because it's not you. They're not you. That's what I meant to say. So this is how I do my makeup. You guys are probably like, why doesn't she put on foundation? Well, concealer, because I'm not using foundation for this video. After she does her eyeshadow. Well, I don't do it like that because then, like, when I have to put it on there, it's just gonna mess up. Like, even though if it falls out, it doesn't fall out for me. I don't know, it doesn't fall out for me. I don't see any fallout. It's only gonna fall out when I put the glitter in my inner corners. You're gonna see it's not highlight, it's literally glitter. It's so cute though. Like, I could do a Coachella look if I love putting glitter on my face, because that's just beautiful. Okay, so okay, I just patted on it, that's why it's kind of messed up, so I can know which is the difference. So I'm gonna use Magnolia right here, and then I'm gonna put the what's the word, this, just, I think you know what I mean. So now I have Magnolia. As you can see, I said it for like the millionth time. So Magnolia is like this really light peachy color. It's like my skin color, almost a tad. Okay, so this is how it looks like so far. And then I'm trying to make it lighter because it's like very dark, but I'll make it lighter. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using the color, I'm actually curious to see how magenta looks like, but I'm already doing this look, so I can't. Okay, I'm gonna be using SUNKISSED, but I'm gonna mix it with Daisy. So I'm putting the color Daisy first, because it's light. Okay, now I've gone on this one. Okay, so how was your Halloween? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, let me talk about this video. So there's people, the Barbizon video is like the one that has like the most comments, the most views, whatever. So I just want to talk about something. If you're gonna say that my videos, no, like what I said in the video was fake, then why are you commenting? Because honestly, I don't have the time and audacity to make this up. Like, oh, I'm just gonna make up some random place called Barbizon and then say bad things about it. Like, no, I'm not like that. I don't just make up things. So if you just like that video, okay, I don't really care, because I'm being honest. I'm not a person that lies. I do not lie at all. Like, I'm just not that person. Like, why would I lie? Like, I don't have time to lie. Like, I'm not just bored and no, just no. Like, that's just not me. I'm not gonna lie like that. Okay. Is that my dog choking? No, my mom's there. If I keep talking, it's gonna be quite long. Okay, I'm just not even genuinely fixing this. Okay, you know what? My favorite part, glitter. It gets all over your face. You saw that. You saw that. It's gonna get in my hair also. It always does. I freaking love glitter. So I'm gonna be using this highlight brush that I think I got from Elf. My makeup's from everywhere. It's from Sephora, Ipsy, Sephora again. So I have the glitter here, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corners and make it look cute or whatever, you know what I mean? Okay. That's how it looks like so far. Does anybody famous like ever comment on the stuff that you post? No, not the things that you post. When you comment on their picture, glitter just got all over the place. Do they ever comment? Like, I'm curious. Okay, I have tea, guys. I have tea. I was interestingly forgot about this. Okay, so tell me how. I don't know if you guys know who Jeffree Star is, but you should, because if you do makeup, you should know who he is. I'm sorry. So basically Jeffree Star, wherever I go, I see him. Not like see him, but like I'm around him. So when I was in DR, Jeffree Star was in DR, and it was at the same time. It was around July. He posted a picture July 7th, and I was there July 7th. He was enjoying it, and we were so close to each other. We weren't in the same hotel, but I was like in excursions. I did not see him. I was sad about that. And then tell me how in New Jersey he was doing it was like a meet and greet in Morphe, because that's like the first Morphe store they ever have. I still haven't gone there. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm trying to find, because I go to Garden State Mall all the time. It's somewhere in Garden State Mall, but I haven't seen it yet, because like I've been in my other makeup stores, you know what I mean, in New Jersey. So I haven't seen him yet. Okay, so tell me how I was there when he was doing the meet and greet. I was eating food in a different what's the word, okay, we were in the same mall basically, but I was eating and he was in the Morphe store. And we were so close to each other. That happened to me twice with him. I don't know if it's a sign or something, like I should be his friend. I don't know if it is, or God's just like, you know what, I'm gonna put her next to him and make her suffer, okay? Because I really want to. I forgot to put on baking powder. Okay, update. I put on baking powder. You see, I was very distracted with Jeffree Star that I forgot to put it on. I put it here, but I don't really do it here. I'm gonna try putting on bronzer. Well, my face. Honestly, even if I put on baking powder, instead of putting bronzer on, because I'm not good at bronzer, I'll put this on, but I'll try putting on bronzer. So here, I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. What color? Do they really have a color? Nope, they clearly don't. This is a bronzing powder. This is how it looks like. I got this from Ipsy. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on my cheek. My cheekbone if I could try. Okay, I'm just gonna fast forward this so. Okay, now I'm going to use a different brush. Actually, whatever. I'm going to use a brush to take out all the baking powder that I have on. I don't even know if you guys can see my face because I feel like my eyeshadow is covering my. When I'm done putting, I'm not done with the top. I just wait for it to dry so I can do another layer. I don't know, honestly. This is my eye. I'm gonna add more mascara to it. I love how I messed up my eyeshadow. Okay, you can't even see it, but I messed it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the bottom lash. I'm looking like a clown so far. Oh my god, I shouldn't be talking loud because my dog is like a newborn. Literally, he may be like 3-4 months. I don't know how many months old. He's like 5 months old, but he can be crazy. I swear to God. This is why I did not want to talk about it. He knows I'm here and I don't know what to do about that because I don't want to keep going on. Okay, I am so annoyed sometimes. I don't need to feel like it. Mission is accomplished. So now that I am done with my eyes, I'm going to put on my Anastasia highlight. And it's not even here, and I'm not trying to get up again because this video is going to be very cutable. You know what? I'm just going to use another highlight because it's not here. Okay, I'm going to put this on my nose. It's like a very, extra palette. I'm going to put it on my nose bridge. Yes, this is how I put on my makeup, my highlight. This is very yellow. Why did I use this color? Oh well, I already did it. I should have done white. That makes no sense. I swear to God. I feel like I'm just the person that packs on highlight because highlight is so cute. It's beautiful. And then for my lipstick, which I don't have with me right now, I look horrible. I love that. I freaking love that. I was gonna put on lip gloss, but I don't like lip gloss at all. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below some ideas I should do for my next video because I don't have any ideas, and that's the real tea, sis. So if you want to keep seeing more videos like this, just subscribe because I post, and when I post, it's something extra, and you don't want to miss out. So subscribe because YouTube's acting up, and subscribe. So this is how my makeup looks like. I'm gonna just do a quick modeling for myself. Let's say L'Oreal. We're just friends. What are you saying?